In the beginning, before the birth of time, there was light, an unbroken stream of energy beyond the reach of matter. Science tells us of the Big Bang, the singular event that created everything we know. But could there be something even more profound? A place where time itself has no meaning? This is the White Lodge, where science and spirituality merge. Beyond the stars and galaxies, we find not just particles and forces, but a deeper truth, a sanctuary of energy and wisdom waiting for those who seek its eternal light. Just as scientists probe the mysteries of the universe, humans have long searched for the origins of the soul. The White Lodge is not a physical location. It exists within the fabric of our consciousness, an unseen dimension that transcends both matter and spirit. To embark on the journey to the White Lodge is to cross the threshold between science and spirituality, to seek an understanding that unites the cosmos with the very core of our being. At the heart of the White Lodge lies a fundamental truth. Just as gravity binds the stars and planets, an invisible spiritual law connects all of creation. Science uncovers the laws that govern matter, the speed of light, the pull of gravity, the nature of energy. But beyond these is a deeper law, one that binds every atom and every soul. This unseen force, this universal energy, guides us towards the light. The White Lodge invites us to unite the knowledge of science with the wisdom of the spirit, revealing a reality far greater than we can perceive. To walk the path of the White Lodge is to realize that all life, from the smallest particle to the largest star, is interconnected. Science tells us about quantum entanglement, the phenomenon where particles, no matter how distant, remain connected and influence one another. In the same way, we are connected to the cosmos. Our thoughts, actions, and very being are part of the energy that flows through the universe. In surrendering our ego, we become one with this cosmic energy, aligned with the eternal wisdom of the stars. In both science and spirituality, we seek understanding, but what we often find is a return to something greater. Physicists explain that the matter in our bodies was born in the hearts of ancient stars, their remnants scattered across the universe. Here, at the White Lodge, the soul finds peace, liberated from the constraints of time and space, just as the elements find new life in the stars after death. In both biology and astrophysics, the idea of interconnectedness is paramount. Every ecosystem on Earth is a delicate balance of life, with each species playing a role. Similarly, galaxies are connected by the forces of gravity and dark matter. The White Lodge teaches us that this interconnectedness is not just a scientific concept, it is the essence of existence. Just as the trees and stars are bound by unseen forces, so too are our souls linked to the universe. Everything flows from the same source of light, energy, and wisdom. Science shows us that stars are forged in the crucible of immense pressure, and diamonds form under the weight of the earth. Likewise, the soul undergoes trials and challenges to reveal its true strength. The journey to the White Lodge is marked by obstacles, both physical and spiritual, as we resist the pull of materialism and illusion. Yet, through these trials, we grow. Each challenge, like the pressures of space and time, shapes us, drawing us closer to the light. In the universe, we witness moments of transformation, when stars are born, when black holes collide, when life begins. These moments mirror the soul's journey toward awakening. After enduring the trials of existence, there comes a moment when the light breaks through the darkness. This is the soul's awakening, when all illusions are stripped away and the pure, unbroken truth is revealed. The White Lodge is the destination, the moment of realization that we are, and always have been, one with the eternal energy of the cosmos. In the world of science, silence and observation often lead to the greatest discoveries. Astronomers peer into the depths of space, listening to the faintest echoes from distant galaxies. Physicists explore the quiet mysteries of quantum particles. The White Lodge teaches that silence is not the absence of sound, but the presence of wisdom. In silence, we hear the universe's most profound truths. In stillness, we discover the energy that moves through all things. The quiet of the soul is where we connect with the eternal light. To reach the White Lodge is to experience a peace that transcends the physical world. In science, we find a similar peace when the forces of nature balance, when the laws of the universe align to create harmony. The White Lodge offers us this harmony in the form of spiritual peace. Here, we are no longer bound by the constraints of fear, desire, or the physical world. Instead, we exist in harmony with the eternal energy that governs the cosmos, free to explore the boundless potential of the universe. Modern science reveals a truth that ancient wisdom has long known. We are not separate from the cosmos. The atoms in our bodies were forged in stars that lived and died billions of years ago. We are literally made of the universe. The White Lodge teaches us that our soul, like these atoms, is connected to the very fabric of existence. In this connection, we find unity with the cosmos. We are not alone. We are part of the same energy that moves galaxies, forms planets, and gives life. The journey to the White Lodge is only the beginning. Just as the universe continues to expand, so too does the soul evolve. Beyond the physical world lies an infinite journey, where the soul explores dimensions that science has yet to understand, realms beyond time, space, and matter. In the White Lodge, we are free to explore these vast possibilities, where the soul continues to grow, learn, and ascend in harmony with the cosmic forces that shape all things. The White Lodge is not a distant dream. It exists within each of us, waiting to be discovered. In the silence of our hearts, we can feel its call, a pull toward the light that governs the universe. In the vastness of the cosmos, we find our place, knowing that we are part of something far greater than ourselves. The journey to the White Lodge is the journey to understanding, to connection, and to the eternal light.